Since the strings are more or less the backbone of the piece, let's start our overview by having a look at how the strings are composed and orchestrated and take a look at some of the libraries that I used. Now, one thing I want to mention is that, for the most part, when I create a MIDI mockup, I use a variety of libraries, especially if the final track is going to be created completely with virtual instruments. But since I know this piece is going to be recorded with live orchestra, I kept things pretty simple. The ensemble strings are all cinematic studio strings by cinematic sampling. I'm using this because it sounds great, is easy to use, and I use it on almost everything. It's just absolutely fantastic. I am also using a bit of 8Dio's anthology strings in a couple of parts, and I'll talk about that later. That's it for string samples. In the next video, we'll have a detailed look at the violins.